know, so there are two types of diabetes. One is type 1 diabetes, which we call as insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Another is non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. So in type 1, what happens? So it is nothing but a congenital disorder, by birth disorder, or there may be a damage of beta cells of the pancreas due to some reasons. Okay, so here, even though there is a proper intake of sugar, there will be no production of insulin at all by the beta cells of the pancreas. So there will be normal functioning of the insulin receptors, there will be non-functioning of the cells. So what is the problem here? So there will be a problem in the complete non-functioning of the insulin, so that sugar will not enter the cells through the insulin receptors. Understood? Therefore, gradually there will be a significant rise in the sugar level in the blood. So this is type 1 diabetes, very difficult to manage. So what is that next is? Next is type 2 diabetes, wherein there will be a normal intake or there may be abnormal intake. Okay, so then there will be a normal secretion of insulin by the pancreas, but there will be a problem in the insulin receptors which is present over the cells. Actually, these insulin receptors are nothing but those are the triggering cells. They send message to the pancreas to release insulin, so that sugar comes from blood to cells for the metabolic process. So here there will be a problem in the insulin receptors. So what are those insulin receptors? The insulin receptors are nothing but those are the triggering cells to remove glucose from the blood. So whenever we take the sugar, that will be absorbed from the intestines. So that will be try to enter the blood. So there will be a rise in the blood. At that time, these cells, they need glucose from the blood. At that time, these insulin receptors, they send information towards the pancreas to release the insulin, so that sufficient amount of insulin is released according to the blood level, that is sugar level in the blood, so that there will be a release of sugar from the blood towards cells. So here, any abnormal conditions of the insulin receptors condition lead to insulin resistance. Some of the conditions like obesity or non-functional physiological activities, or sometimes there will be drug-induced insulin resistance. There are so many causes for that. There are so many causes for insulin resistance. So there is a detailed pathogenesis for that. So today there is no time for that. So what is that insulin resistance? So this is insulin resistance, nothing but a problematic insulin receptors, which is driving factor that leads to type 2 diabetes or gestational diabetes or pre-diabetic conditions. So at this junction, so next question, what are the causes of insulin resistance? What are the causes of insulin resistance? Definitely, in present lifestyle, it is overweight or obese. So you can see the people, out of 100 people, you nearly will get 10 to 20% of obese persons. So intake of high calorie diet, high carbohydrate and high added sugar diet. Because tongue is the very dangerous person, isn't it? We need a high added sugar even. So what is that added sugar? We'll see later. Okay. So then sedentary lifestyle, there is no physical activity. So mobiles. Okay. So previously there was land phones. Even we walk towards that. Now everything has been stopped, isn't it? Again, we have got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Even we are not lifting our hands. So there is a less physical activity. There is no burning of fat, calories. So that there will be a rise in there will be pressure over the insulin receptors. So that there will be a rise of sugar, that is sugar in the blood. So taking high doses of steroids. In some diseases, even we prescribe, doctors prescribe steroids for the longer time, so that it acts on insulin receptors, so that there will be insulin resistance, causing rise in the blood sugar level. Chronic stress, even Cushing syndrome, PCODs, these are all the causes of insulin resistance. Very, very important in diabetes 2. So these are the causes of insulin resistance. I hope you are all getting that. Okay, these are all we know that. Just refreshing. Then we'll go to actual subject. So next question is that, can insulin resistance be reduced or reversed? Whether it can be reversed. What is that reversed? Whether we can bring to normal conditions. Very, very difficult. Very, very difficult. So we can tell it as no. By medicines, very difficult. So we can just maintain, that's all. So by medicines, insulin resistance cannot be reversed or reduced. So what is the next? So this insulin resistance can be reduced by low carbohydrate and ketonic diets, very low calorie diets, then food with higher fiber content. So then exercise in combination with the healthy diet. So what is the carbohydrate, calorie diets, fiber, exercises, we shall see in next slides. In our classics, so Charaka beautifully explained. So who is free from Madhumeha? Yatsva aharam sharirasya dhatum samyakaram naraha sevate vividascha annecheshtaha sukamam shnute. So who is free from Madhumeha? So whoever follows proper diet, which is samyakara for dhatus, in favor of dhatus, then along with that, not only that, so who will be having annecheshta antandre, not mischievous chestas, other physical activities like yoga, those things. Okay, so they can control or they are free from Madhumeha. So beautifully Charaka has explained in Nidana, 4th chapter, 52nd shloka. Yasva aharam sharirasya dhatum samyakaram naraha sevate vividascha annecheshtaha sukamam shrute. So that is the beautiful quotation from the Charaka. So related to Madhumeha, who is free from the Madhumeha? So then what are the objectives of Madhumeha, Patya and Apatya? What are the objectives? So one is, we are not able to cure completely the disease Madhumeha because Anushangi, isn't it? Punarbhava or Anushangi, again recurrence. So maintenance of blood sugar level, that is the first objective. Second, it should be attainment and maintenance of the ideal body weight. So then weight reduction in majority of the patients with type 2 diabetes, which called as non-insulin dependent diabetes. Then weight gain in patients with type 1 diabetes, that is insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Then there should be a proper meal planning according to their calorie burnt, isn't it? So we should plan a meal planning. Even modern people, while they are administering the insulin, their first step is that they maintain a diet chart. Then they fix the dose, isn't it? So there should be a proper meal planning with individuals depending upon the degree of activities and eating habits. Then careful balance between nutrient intake, energy expenditure, and the dose and timing of the drugs. See, for example, if the total calorie we are taking is 2000, so out of that, 30 to 60% should be carbohydrate. So that there will be something approximately 250 to 350 grams. We need calories, we need carbohydrate. So we should calculate that. There should be a balance between a nutrient intake and energy expenditure. And dose and timing of the drug also very, very important. Dose should be proper and timing of the drug should be proper. Isn't it? Then there should be a physical activities as our Charaka has been mentioned. So these are some of the objectives of Madhumeha, Patya and Apatya. What should be the goal of diet? So what should be the goal of the diet? See, whenever I observe that, so whenever I get a patients, so they are able to take all the medicines. They carry bag for all the 2 or 5, 10 kgs of medicines. Okay, so then if you tell Patya, leave that rice at night, that this, okay, so they are not able to accept it because our tongue is not under our control. It is an involuntary organ. It is an involuntary organ, so that it is not in our hand. So we should advise the patient such a food or recipes that he should enjoy the food. Then maintenance of sugar level. Second goal should be maintenance of sugar level. Then prevention and control of diabetes and its complications, very, very important. There are different complications. I am not going to explain that because so many things is that today to discuss already late. Sorry. Okay. So first goal should be enjoy the food and maintenance of the sugar level and prevention and control of the diabetes and its complications like diabetic neuropathy, diabetic nephropathy, retinopathy. There are different conditions, as all you know, isn't it? So these are the goals. Because we are not able to cure whole of the disease as such, then you should enjoy the food. There should be sugar maintenance. So prevention and controlling the diabetes in a particular individuals is we are gift giving to that particular individuals. So the other okay, so that's what we do in present scenario, isn't it? So Charaka also told a classical explanation Patya Apatya Lakshanas. Patyam Pato Anapetam Yat Choktam Manasa Priyam Echa Priyam Patyam Cha Niyatam Tanna Lakshayat. In Charaka Sutra 25th, 45th Shloka. So he has beautifully explained the Lakshanas of Patya and Apatya. What is Patya? Which is pleasant to the mind. So whatever we take the food or whatever we advise for the patient, it should be pleasant to the mind. He should enjoy it, isn't it? So food which is unpleasant to the mind, we call as apatya. Okay, so food preparation may be good, very good. It may be a hagalkai halwa or palya. So, but he should enjoy that hagalkai, that is karvalaka. He should enjoy that. He should get a pleasant character from that part. Okay, if it is unpleasant, reject it. Don't advise that. Go for another thing. Okay, so that is a Charaka's explanation given in our classics. So that is the patya and apatya lakshanas. Food which is pleasant to the mind is patya. Food which is unpleasant to mind is apatya. Condition related to Madhumeha conditions. In Prameha context, he has explained it. In Shabda Klapadrama, so definition they are given Patyam Rogana, Hitakaram, Apatyam Samharam. So whoever follows proper diet, so he survives with healthy condition. So whoever follows undiet, improper diet, so condition leads to death. Directly that statement has given in our classics. Patyam Roganam, Hitakaram, Apatyam Samharam. Even in contemporary science, in modern science also they explain same thing. What is that? Any diabetic, untreated diabetic conditions lead to diabetic complications like cardiovascular disease, ketoacidosis, at last condition leading to death condition. See, whatever our Charaka told in decades, so now modern people are telling these things. Diabetic complications are very dangerous. Ketoacidosis conditions, very conditions wherein cells are not able to pursue the sugar. So there will be problem in the metabolic rate, metabolic process. So condition lead to cardiorespiratory arrest, condition leading to death. So this is very important, prevention of diabetic complications. Coming to actual subject, after long way, so we are coming to actual subject. What are the aharas in Madhumehi? Very interesting subject. What are the aharas in Madhumehi? Okay, so whatever we take the food, it should be kapha medohara, so that we can prevent the Staulya condition. So we can prevent the insulin resistance. So how it is, we shall discuss now. So what are the aharas? What are the characters of ahara? Should be, it should be katu, tikta, ruksha, ushna, kashaya, lagu, and medo, shleshmahara. So whatever meda, shleshma is there, it should be lekhana, it should be removed or it should be melted. Okay, so that should be character of the food, patyaharas. So we should not be taken. So Madhura Rasa Pradhana, Guru and Abhishandi. In other words, Kapha Medokara drugs should be avoided. So these are the characters of ahara which is advisable in Madhumehi. So in modern, they're not going detail about all those things. In just I am telling that in brief, in a stipulated time. Okay, very vast and very interesting subject, but actually today we started late also. So whatever food we take, so it will be containing macronutrients, micronutrients. So macronutrients will be having carbohydrates, proteins, lipids. So in that, for every 4 calories there will be per gram, there will be 4 calories per gram in proteins. So there will be 9 calories per gram in lipids. So micronutrients, those are the calcium, vitamin B12, zinc. So all those are the sources of those things, micronutrients. So carbohydrates, so these are two types, complex and simpler. So what is complex? So complex are nothing but, so these are very simpler, complex carbohydrates are nothing but, those are the polysaccharides. We call it a multiple chains, polysaccharides. So whenever you take the food, so it should go undergo digestion, absorption and excretions. So it takes a longer time to digest. Okay, so what happens if food is, if it takes longer time for the digestion, what happens? So there will be a slower absorption from the intestines. So there will be a slower entry of sugar in the blood, isn't it? There will be a slower rise in the sugar level. So provides a balanced calorie found in whole foods tend to be high nutrients. So in simple carbohydrates, so these simpler, those are monosaccharides. There is no necessity of further division. There is no necessity of further division. So directly second stage of digestive process, that is absorption will take place. So simpler carbohydrates directly they go for second step, that is absorption, quicker absorption. So that's the difference between complex and simpler carbohydrates. So complex carbohydrates are slower to digest, simpler carbohydrates are quicker to digest, so that there will be a faster elevation of blood sugar in simpler carbohydrates. Even all the added sugars increases calorie content. For example, candy, sugary, so they contain all the glucose content. There will be a faster elevation of blood sugar because of this. So what should be the selection of carbohydrates? That should be a selection of complex carbohydrates. See, for example, these complex food materials, they contain whole grains. I'll show the structure of that. For example, cereals, vegetables, and pulses, they'll be having a whole grain structure. See, for example, the germ. So next slide, I'll show that. So this is structure of whole grain. First, this right side, whole grain structure, which will be having one layer called as bran, is nothing but a fiber-filled outer layer with. See, we people usually we forget all these structures, isn't it? So outer layer is called as bran, very important. So which is nothing but which consists of fiber. What is fiber? Actually, a small filaments. I'll show you next slide. A small filaments, a fiber-filled outer layer with B vitamins and minerals. So it is important, very important. This bran layer. So next comes our endosperm. Endosperm, which is starchy carbohydrate mid layer with some proteins and vitamins. Idu saita vitamins matte proteins irutte. This is also very important. So middle part we have got germ. It is nutrient packed core with B vitamins, vitamin E, phytochemicals, etc., etc., etc. So this is the whole structure of whole grains. Very important in maintenance of sugar level because it has got a slower digestive effect. So sometimes what do we do? Maida ideva. So we remove this whole of the grain. This outer part we remove it, bran, so that it will be very tasty. So we take a maida, then we make a puri or something, buns and all, isn't it? So that is called refined grain. So that is called as the refined grain, wherein this bran will be removed. So it is not advisable for type 2 diabetes, that is Madhumehi patient. Okay, so whole grain is advisable. This refined grain is not advisable for the Madhumehi patient. So what should be selection of carbohydrate? So complex carbohydrates should be selected in Madhumeha as it is slower to digest. So there will be a slow delaying of the emptying of the stomach. So there will be a slow absorption. There will be slow entry of sugar into the blood, so that there will be no burden over the insulin resistance. So we can go for insulin clearance. All the complex carbohydrates, they play important role in insulin clearance. Okay. So what are these carbohydrates? In 2 minutes, I'll finish it. Carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. So this monosaccharide, they contain glucose, fructose, galactose. So these are very, very culprit people. Who is that glucose, galactose and all? Because that first digestion process will skip. So directly they go for absorption. There will be a quicker rise in the sugar level, all the glucoses. Fructose, it's somewhat better because this fructose joins with the glucose. See, glucose is a simpler sugar, building blocks of the carbohydrates, nothing but monosaccharides made up of one single unit of sugar. So thus cannot be broken into a simpler components. So there is no need of further division of monosaccharides because directly it can go for absorption. So that there will be a faster absorption. There will be spike in the blood sugar level. Immediately there will be rise in blood sugar whenever you take a sugar, 1 spoon sugar. Isn't it? When hypo condition, in hypoglycemia condition, we ask the patient to take 1 spoon of glucon-D. Why? Because it contains a glucose, because there will be no process of digestion as such. Directly, body will absorb it because it is a monosaccharide. There is no need of further division. Monosaccharide only one link chain. Okay. If polysaccharides complex food materials, for example, fructose next health another. So monosaccharides directly they go for absorption process. There is no process of division there. Okay. So see, glucose, if it combines together with other things like sucrose and lactose, it becomes polysaccharides, disaccharides. So in combination, we can take it, sucrose and lactose combination. Okay, so glucose is less sweeter than the fructose. Fructose is very sweety. Fructose is nothing but we call it a fruit sugar. What is the fructose? Actually, it is also a monosaccharide like glucose, but oftenly it is fused with glucose to form a disaccharide sucrose. Disaccharide polysaccharide ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ we need a digestion process so that the digestion will take a longer time. Then there will be a slower entry of blood due to longer time for the absorption. So absorption, it takes longer time, so that there will be a slower entry of sugar into the blood, so that there will be a lower level of sugar level. There will be no burden over the insulin resistance or receptors so that we can maintain the sugar level. So fructose also plays in major role in maintenance of sugar level in blood. What are the sources? So natural source found in fruits, honey, etc., etc. Added sugar, we call it free sugar, as found in biscuits or cereals or processed with the foods and drinks, all junk foods and bakery items. Nowadays, we go for bakery items, which will be having a rich content of sugar. The total sugar burden from any of these two sources should be avoided to control the sugar level. That's very, very important. Youngsters, they are going for added sugar nowadays. So what are the maximum dose of added sugar? Okay, so 4 to 6 years, not more than 9 grams, 7 to 10 years, not more than 24 grams, over 11, it's not to be more than 30 grams. I'm not going in detail because of shortage of time. What are the role of, very, very important, what is the role of dietary fiber? So usually we ask the patient to take the fiber food. What is that fiber food? For example, beautiful example I can give is that is the apple. Isn't it? Apple is advisable for the diabetic patient because it is a high fiber content fruit. So fiber has a major role in controlling of sugar level. I will tell you that. What is the structure of that fiber? Okay. So role of dietary fiber in controlling of sugar level. What is that? Indigestible form of carbohydrate, a thread or filament from which a vegetable tissue or mineral substance, dietary material containing substance such as C. This contains all these protein layers, cellulose, lignin, pectin. So that are resistant to the action of digestive enzymes. Whole of digestion process slow ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, which is that fibers. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, so whatever you take fiber, apple ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, you don't get hungry even after 3 hours because all this fiber need a longer time for the digestion. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so there will be avoiding the more intake of the food. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಆಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ patient ಗೆ, or you give cucumber or green grams ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, so patient doesn't feel appetite, so that he avoids the more intake. So you can reduce the sugar level. So that is beautiful action of fibers. If you advise it. Okay, apple are better thalala. So you advise those fruits which are highly fiber content. Okay, so these are the structure of that. See, can you see this? So these take a longer time for the digestion. Okay, so content, you remember that cellulose, lignin, and pectin. So these are the having a resistance to the action of digestive enzymes. Takes a longer time for digestion. So this, it contains 3 types of contents. One is soluble fibers, or there are three types of the soluble fibers, insoluble fibers, and prebiotic fibers. So which is found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Badami, antadalala. So we find all this soluble, insoluble, prebiotic fibers. All 3 play major role in controlling of sugar level. So this pectin limits the amount of fat absorption. Beta glucan controls NADDM, that is type 2 diabetes, and reduces cholesterol. For example, oranges, whole grains, oats, black beans, lentils, apples, they contain a soluble fibers. So insoluble fibers, they contain cellulose, lignin. Cellulose, they limits the amount of fat absorption. Lignin, they controls diabetes mellitus and cholesterol. So those are the source of insoluble fibers. So this is structure. So actually those are the interesting topic, but we don't have time today. Mode of action of insoluble fibers, which reduces diabetic condition. Delay of, so what are the mode of action? Actually, I told you, it needs a longer time for the digestion. So there will be a delay of gastric emptying, which reduces the appetite in a particular individual. It is not like formation agala. There is no vishesham doshas. So we are just making a digestion process late. Okay, delaying of gastric emptying and reduces the appetite so that there be a lesser intake of food. Otherwise, we take more of intake. Then it slows down the absorption of sugar. It slows down the absorption of sugar. So less burden to the insulin receptors. Hello, Vidya, Dr. Vidya. Hello. Hello, is it audible and visible?
Yes, it's visible, sir. You are audible also.
Okay, so anything problem, let me know. Okay.
No, yes.
So can I take on 10 or 15 minutes extra till 11:50?
Sure, sir. Yeah, you can continue.
Sorry for the delay.
We have started.
Sorry for the technical problems. Sorry for the technical problems. So what are the mode of action of dietic fiber? So this dietic fiber actually it makes the food as a bulky. So bulking of the food is very, very important. Where, so for example, wheat bran, cellulose or psyllium. So these help in the process of slow absorption because of bulking. So if there is a large amount of food, so intestine takes longer time for the absorption. So slow entry of the sugar into the blood. See how beautiful action of that dietic fiber. For example, simple apple you take, okay, it takes a longer time of absorption, so that there will be lesser burden over the insulin receptors. What is the function of receptors? It sends information, isn't it, to the pancreas to release the insulin. So there will be a less burden. Already that receptor has been damaged. So we are giving less burden to the receptors. We are not able to correct it. We can just improve the function of that. So that is the main intention of giving diet, patya. Okay, so next, second action is viscosity. It reduces, as it contains beta glucan, it reduces the absorption of cholesterol and other nutrients because they thicken the content of the intestinal tract and slow down the migration of all the nutrients into the intestinal walls. Bulk adre, so water is there, so absorption will be very faster. So if the food is bulky, okay, so there the absorption will be very, very slower, so that it increases insulin clearance. Insulin receptor mele, so there will be less pressure, so that there will be a clearance of insulin receptors. For example, Yava, Metika, Shastika, Shali, Shaka, and Amalaki, Goduma, Mudgar, the beautiful drugs which acts on Madhumeha, controlling the sugar level, isn't it? Even modern people, they advise all these things. Even modern people, they advise all these things. So a daily intake of 25 to 30 grams of fiber, half from the fruits and vegetables and remaining from the grains ensures the significant health benefits. So along with that, all vegetables, if you advise fruits, it's well and very good in Madhumeha, type 2 diabetes, as my observed in clinical practice. I'm not going to read all these things. These are the properties of dietary fibers. Okay, just you can go through that. So these are the difference between all these lower fibers, moderate fibers, high fibers. Those are the source difference. I'm not going into detail of that as there's no time. Madhumeha. What are the Ahara Patyas? What are the Ahara Patyas? So first we should remove all the ecological factors we call as Nidana Parivarjana, isn't it? Asisukha, Swapna Sukha, Dadi, Gramyodaka, and Payamsi, Navannapana, and Buddha Vikruta. See, very interesting is that in our classics, Dadi is contraindicated, curd is contraindicated. But modern people, they advise curd. Do you know that? So modern people, they advise Dadi for diabetes 2. Why? Why? Because so it has a probiotic action. Probiotic action. What is that? Probiotic action is nothing but it reduces the insulin resistance power, so that there will be insulin clearance. So that is the main action of Dadi. But in our classes, Dadi is contraindicated. So one of the causative factors. So we should remove that. So in our classes, Acharya is telling that. Even Majige, buttermilk, it is contraindicated. Payamsi, it is contraindicated in our classics. But in modern people, they advise to take it because it acts like a probiotic. Okay, so it helps in the clearance of the, then actually it helps in the building of or making strengthening of the pancreatic cell, beta cells. So that is the mode of action of curds and milk. But in our classics, due to Abhishandi Guna, Abhishandi and Kapha Kara, so they are contraindicated. Madhura, Kapha, due to Madhura and Abhishandi, they were contraindicated. So Navannapana, Buddha Vaikrutam. So this ecological factor should be removed. In other words, in Stula Pramehi, we call it as a diabetes 2. Okay, so Patya should be Kapha Medohara. And it should be Virikshana, Chedaniya, and Lekaniya. So these are the character should be maintained for diabetes 2, that is Madhumeha. In Krisha Pramehi, Patya should be Lagu, Santarpanahara, Salpa, body build avange now medicine Patya helbekadu. Because to build up, to give the strength, but it should not be Kapha Medokara Hagantele, Kapha build Makonta, body build Madantala. For example, Eva, it doesn't make Medo Vruddhi. Okay, but it gives a Santarpanahara. It gives a strength. Okay, it should be a Lagu Santarpanahara in Krisha Pramehi in type 1 diabetes. Okay, so this is very important line of treatment. Patya, I'm not going to read all those things. Okay, cereals, pulses, there are different types mentioned in Charaka. Okay, in other classics also. Okay, these are the fruits, seeds, and fleshes. Okay, so then Shukadanya, Shimbidanyas, Kutana workers, Shaka workers, Phala workers, etc. Okay, so these are the list of so I have selected some of the choice of drugs or classical drugs which acts on Madhumeha. Okay, with the homemade recipes which are mentioned in our classics. Okay, Yava Guduma. So Yava Pradhanastu Bhavet Pramehi Charakata Heltare. So it has got Mudra Rasa Kata Vipaka, Shitavirya, all those characters, reduces urine output and reduces obesity and beneficial in diabetic wounds as it acts as a antibiotic. Yava and Goduma are rich in proteins and carbohydrate with fiber. So you know the action of fiber. So Yava Goduma, it's a rich content of carbohydrate along with fiber, so that it gets a longer process of digestion, a slow absorption, so that there will be a slow rise in the sugar level. See, instead of giving medications, if you advise all these recipes which has been made by Yava and Goduma, so it is well and good what I observed in clinical practice. Okay, so these are the beautiful two drugs we use in diabetes. That is Goduma, wheat. Goduma is Vrishya, Shita, Guru, Stikta, Jivaniya, Vata, Pittara, Sandhanakara, Madhura, Sthairyakrita. It is a source of insulin fibers. Okay, so whole wheat flour protects from the risk of insulin resistance. See, all these drugs are acting on insulin resistance, making a insulin clearance. Those are the nutritional values. So you can see, observe that. So what is that white flour? That is maida. Actually, it is contraindicated in Madhumeha. Why? Because we are removing all those outer layer. Refined product of wheat obtained after processing of wheat, which makes it less nutrient, as a high glycemic index. Like sugar, as a monosaccharide, sugar is contraindicated in diabetes. So maida is very, very bad to the health. So any product of maida, we should reject it. It is not advisable for the diabetic patient. Soft white whole wheat has a longer gluten content and contains a lower protein content, that is between 9% to 11% when compared with whole wheat. So this is contraindicated in diabetes, white flour. Maida tollebardu, but very tasty, isn't it? Very tasty. So some of the preparations of Goduma, see, previously we had discussed that patients should enjoy the food, isn't it? So Goduma, hage kotta togotara. So you advise all these things. They can make upama. So it is classical preparations. Iದೇನು ನಾವು ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ, with the base we are advising that. So Goduma Rava Upama also we can advise. So indicates I mentioned that. Okay, so it is actually a mind pleasant foods, isn't it? Idli, nobody hates it. Uppittu, Upama, nobody hates it, isn't it? Then Yava, barley, it's a very, very important drug. So okay, so we can make mantha, odana, and malt. It consists of fiber. It also contains fibers, particularly beta glucan soluble fibers. Okay, highly recommended in diabetes diet in different forms. It is kapahara, sthairyakhara, balya. See, this is structure of barley. See, can you see this? It contains bran. So already we have discussed that bran contains fiber. Then endosperm, every structure is there. So there is a beautiful structure of Yava, barley. So different preparations we can make, mantha, odana, malt, isn't it? So mantha is cooked with water, because mantha, odana, vatya, sattu. There are different classical preparations. Okay, a watery basis madidre Yava mantha anta heltivi, odana barley cooked with adding any unctuous substance, uppu gippu ildane, or fat. So we call it Yava odana. Okay, idella nim ಕೆಲವು classical preparations patient will not agree. So that we can make some upama, uppittu, so we can advise those things instead of giving this. Like a swasthadalli ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಪಥ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. So I'll show that our JSS hospital, this one, last year I was the in charge. Okay, I was the dietitian for JSS hospital. So all the preparations we have tried, but patient accepting those things. ನಾಲಿಗೆ ರುಚಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಲ್ವಾ, so they eat idli, uppittu, noodles. So ರಾಗಿದಲ್ಲಿ noodles ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಮಂತ ಓದನ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದಿ ಫುಡ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್, ಬಾರ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೋಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ನ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್, ಸತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಾರ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಉಪ್ಪುಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಟೈಪ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೋಟಿಕಾ, ಈ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೋಟಿಕಾ, ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದಟ್ ಫುಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಷಾಯ ಮಂತ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. So practically I am telling that. So make that rotis. Okay, patient are accepting it. there is a significant controlling of sugar level in those patients. They can make idlis out of that barley. And even dosas we can advise. Okay, actually this is a hospital food, so this food is from our hospital. Okay, so next is barley food. Barley we can advise that ever preparations. See, even that roti preparation I think mostly. Ragi, it is lagu, madura, tikta, kashaya, shita, and tridoshagna, rich in vitamins, minerals, calcium, fiber. What are the benefits? Again, same action, slows the digestion process, increases insulin sensitivity, then regular consumption decreases fasting sugar by 32%. So regular consumption decrease eliminate insulin resistance by 43%. Ragi is very beautiful choice of drug in Madhumehi in type 2 diabetes. Ragi ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So they can make rotis, isn't it? ಮುದ್ದೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Even ganji they can eat it. Even ganji they can eat it. So this are the see idli, dosas we can take. ಹಾಗಂತೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಪೊಟೆಟೊ ಪಲ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಟೆಟೊ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಹೈ ಕ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್, isn't it? Ragi prepare, ragi puttu we can write, ragu upama. Okay, so ragi rotis, ragi noodles we can advise. Okay, shashtikashali, sikda grahi, rich in fibers, lower release of sugar. So those are the shashtikals are very important. Okay, so mukta, so very beautiful choice of another choice of drug. So adli palya ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So kashaya, swadu, grahi, shita, lagu, medo, shleshmahara, reference ashtanga hridaya. So full complex carbohydrates in form of high fiber. So very beautiful drug which aids on digestion. So nobody hates this, isn't it? Palya madi, idu madi, sambar madi, stabilizes blood sugar and controls its sudden rise after meal. Idan beka hage tindru saita there will be no sudden rise. There is no spike because it's a high fiber content. Okay, idu polysaccharide idu irutte, chain irutte. So it takes a longer time. Even there will be loss of appetite. Avaga next intake ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so there is a nutritional value of green gram. Lagu ushna kapha, idu ashte, it's a beautiful choice of drug which acts on hyperglycemia and reducing the insulin resistance and slowing down the carbohydrate digestion. This is also very beautiful. Kulatta, then masha, chanaka, the carbohydrate bare 60 ಇದೆ. The content, dietary fiber 22 grams. Okay, so idu ashte, you can go for palyas. So there are different preparations of that. Shak and palavarkas, rich fiber content and phytates which modulates glycemia, rich in chromium, which delay the sugar digestion and absorption. Then it reduces delay of the sugar digestion and absorption and increases insulin sensitivity and glucose utilization. Garavalaka is another beautiful choice of first choice of drug because it will be having a low calorie content. That energy will be a very low, 17 kilocalories. See, below 1%. Very beautiful drug. Okay, carbohydrates, see 3.70 grams, isn't it? So dietary fiber, see that 2.80 grams. Okay, 7% of it contains fiber. So Karavalaka is a choice for drug in our hospital. Usually we do palyas, even sambar also we do it. Actually in last year, whole of the last year, most times we had to say the Karavalaka. See, we ask the patient to take directly, they don't take it. Make the different preparations like what stuff for the juice chutney. So chutney is very beautiful. Can you see this? Our salivation increases, isn't it? Karavalaka, bitter gourd, these are the content. You can go through later that because there is no time. So Karavalaka, haglakayi palya. So very beautiful taste, isn't it? Yadu bekar togoli, chutney, roti bekar togoli, rice bekar togoli. See, if you advise all these things to the patient, they enjoy the food so that it will be peaceful for the mind, so that there will be a insulin clearance. Mind ಗೆ ಹಿತವಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಾಡಿ accept ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. There will be a proper metabolic process. Madhu, actually common people think that madhu is very tasty, it increases diabetes. No, it is madura, kashayana rasa, ruksha, shita, agni deepana, lagu lekaniya hudaya. The patient ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ or relatives ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we should give this justification. What is that? Alone or with the anti-diabetic drugs reduce hyperglycemia, suggested to roll up the fructose, mineral ions, phenolic acid, flavonoids, protects pancreatic beta cells against oxidative stress and damage. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಎರಡು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು. Then highly it contains fructose. ಫ್ರುಕ್ಟೋಸ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ಯಾಕರೈಡ್. ಅವಾಗ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Fructose alone is a monosaccharide. If it combines with sugar, it becomes a polysaccharide. Avaga digestion slow agate. Okay, so that is the beautiful action of madhu. Even it is stauli hara. Madhu lekhaniya. Hoda diabetes sorry obesity patient ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ madhu. Okay, next is maheshu. ಇದು meheshu dhatri nishe. Very important. Haridra ಮತ್ತೆ amalaki all as all we know has got a antibiotic action. Isn't it? Pancharasayukta, very beautiful characters, Ruksha Shita, those things. So it also contains chromium, which stimulates the beta cells to secrete insulin. That is very important in Amalaki. And contains natural vitamin C, minerals like calcium, iron, etc. Very, very beautiful action of Amalaki. So Amalaki, idu madi chutney madi or halwa, there were so many preparations. Even Haridra, very important. Katutikta, Ruksha Lagu Rushna, Kapha Pitta Hara, Varnya, Prameya Hara. So classical is Bhava Prakasha. Okay, it increases beta cell functions of pancreas, reduces insulin resistance. You see the calories 29. So carbohydrate is very less, 6.31. So contains 2.1 grams of fiber. Okay, so hagagi is also beautiful drug. Okay, shaka tikta kashayabhyam cha shaka adradu. So green leafy vegetables, different preparations we can go for that, isn't it? Adradu pallegalu adu roti. So shaka pallegalu mente. So Methika. So there are so many classical preparations. Kushmanda, it is also Kushmanda preparations. Bimbi, Tondekad Madabodo, it is also fiber content, isn't it? Ekanayaka Beru, next Nishpava, that is also fiber content. Panasam, that is also very South Canada Dorigito, Mugito, Siputra. So everything they will do out of this, we will prepare 15 to 20 preparations. Panasam, time with the Becker discuss mana. Okay, jackfruit. Next is Shalimanda recipes. So Asmari, Shedaka, Mutrala, we can prepare Lajamanda. So that also acts on this one. Barley waters. Okay, Vatimandia, Draksha Panaka, sorry, Draksha Panaka. That is also Draksha also anti prebiotic action. It clears the insulin resistance. Evamanda, Kulatta Yusha. Patola Yusha also can use Maduka Panaka. So very important. So this also has got a significant Madhu, Yenila, honey with the water with honey. So you can advise for that. In Dinacharya we advise that. In hospital also we follow that for diabetic patient. At 10 o'clock we give that. Then Eva Rotica, Akki Roti, Shari Rotica, we can advise. So all the fruits, again question comes with the patient. In mango season, can I take a mango? Okay, so mangoes versus diabetes 2, what is that? So it is a rich carbohydrate, whether to take or not. Because the calorie content is also high, but they don't affect the blood glucose when consumed in moderation. Diabetic need to limit the portions of mangoes can be consumed 1 to 2 slices in every 2 hours, 2 days. 2 days again 2 slices not whole of the mango. So we ask the patient to take 1 or 2 slices of mango. Like enjoy lifetime just isn't it? So we should enjoy that. But take 1 or 2 slices in 2 days. Okay, see 1 banana 100 grams. Don't take all of the bananas. Okay, see carbohydrate 23 there, dietary fiber is 1 gram, sugar is 12 grams. So what is this? Research has found that the green or unripened bananas tend to have a slower effect on blood sugar than ripened bananas. So unripened banana the preparations small banana they have the low carbohydrates. For example, a small banana that is 6 to 7 inches long will be having 23 grams. Okay, so banana is limited, slow. Grapes was very beautiful action. Phytochemical found in grapes modulate the blood glucose response to the effective mechanism. Apple, a miracle food, a nutritional powerhouse. Juicy fruits are high in fiber and vitamin C. Apple baker but rate not. Okay, so low in calories, sodium, and no fat or cholesterol. Apple rate agide diabetic patient. So those are the contents. I am not going in detail. So fruits exchanges, apple, those are list of fruits. Okay, not the same apple okay, local language. So this is the mean plan we maintain our JSS hospital. So see morning Dashamala Kasha 150 ml, isn't it? So Madhyana see, this is the chart made by me. So Ragi Ganji, wheat upama, wheat khichdi, Ragi idli, Rava idli, so chutney, sambar. See all the units are given. Then 12 mid. So rice, chapati maybe godhi like that. Okay, ragi balls or with combination with vegetables, palya. So 4:30 p.m. So there is a gap between 3 to 4 hours. So it takes that time of digestion process, so that there will be a low elevation of sugar in diabetic patients. See, we give kashaya. Okay, kashaya dashamala irbodu athwa idradu kashaya kodthivi. So we give that. So in night, so light rice, chapati kodthivi. So rice should be minimized carbohydrate. So ragi balls, those things. So this is chart maintained in our JSS hospital. Principles of diet in diabetic complications. To reduce it, the retinopathy, foodstuffs that are rich in vitamin A should be advised for retinopathy. Green leafy vegetables, carrot, cabbage, papaya, tomato, those things. Okay, in diabetic neuropathy, along with common diabetic regimens, food that rich in vitamin B are advised, like rice, white, Bengal grams, green grams, almond, cashew, egg, fish, milk, etc. In diabetic nephropathy, along with that, protein, sodium, potassium. So kidney needs all those things, with restricted fluids and with less carbohydrate to maintain the glucose level. Okay. So along with that, say for example, cereals, boiled vegetables, and milk advised for diabetic nephropathy. So Viharaja Patyas, we can go for Sastra modalities like Dhanacharya, Rutucharya, Vyayama, Yogasana for the to improve the pancreatic cells by the exercises or pranayamas. Okay. So actually, Udavartana is contraindicated because of Shleshma aggravation. Okay. Process Udavartana is enhance the circulation of skeletal muscles, does lysis and of adipose tissue. In diabetic patient, there may be a problem in diabetic wounds. To avoid that, Urdhvartana may lead to complications in Madhumehi. So Urdhvartana procedure is contraindicated in Madhumehi. Exercise in Madhumeha, Vyayama, all those are related to exercise in the this one. In modern also they tell the it lowers the mode of action of exercise, lowers the plasma glucose and enhances the entry of glucose into the muscle cells. Exercise is also followed by increasing the number of insulin receptors on target cells. See, beautiful action of exercise is useful in improving cardiorespiratory fitness and sense of well-being in IDDM. So muscular activity induces glucose entering in the muscles cells without the need of insulin. As such, exercise has insulin sparing effect. So these are some of the yogasanas in advanced Madhumehi, apatyas, all this. Divasapna, Navanna, Dadi, Daumapana already you mentioned it. So into overall discussion. So are having the properties like Lekana, Vatahara, Medakni, Vardhana, Balya helps in overcoming Bahu and Abadha Medas. Madhumeha can be prevented because we are preventing the burden over the insulin receptors. Tikta Pradhana Shakas are Lagu and Ruksha, which helps in the Sthirikarana of Deha and Shoshana of Dursha in Madhumeha. Food containing high fiber helps in delaying the digestion and thus lowering the calories, less burden over the insulin receptors, less the sugar level. Physical exercises help in the stimulating pancreas from secretion of insulin and maintenance of blood sugar level. In general, we can come to one conclusion that type 2 diabetes mellitus is a chronic metabolic disorder due to insulin resistance. Type 1 is due to problem in the pancreatic cells. Type 2 diabetes is insulin resistance problematic condition. So what are the risk factors? Intake of high calorie food, high carbohydrate and high added sugar diet, overweight, limiting of Madhumeha without any side effects is challenging still to the medical system, isn't it? It is not curable, but that challenge is now also it persists. High risk people should be identified and they are advised for behavioral, dietary, lifestyle changes after relieving poor or Madhumeha. Any predominant symptoms we should prevent it, that's all. Okay, corona positive bantaksha isolate madbodu. So with the approach use of Ayurvedic preventive measures as explained in our classics literature, should be followed strictly. Okay, so there are some take-home messages like Madhumeha has been described as Anushangi Punarbhavi, a tendency to reoccurring. So so level just so we should maintain it. So hence Patya in Madhumeha should be followed over the life. Patya antandre we should advise which is favorable for the individuals. Some of the mistakes we should not do or done by anyone in a Madhumeha patient, in diabetic patient. What is the first mistake we do? So making all the carbohydrates as an enemy. So that is very, very wrong. Even if you have diabetes, nearly half of our calories should be coming from carbohydrates. Carbohydrates barlebeko. For example, we are thinking brain carbohydrate beke. So rice condition leads to some psychological disorders. So hagagi making all carbohydrates as the enemy is wrong. That is the first mistake we do. Second mistake is that fasting for longer time to reduce overweight. ಭಾಳ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ನನಗೆ ಓವರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಶುಗರ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ 3 to 4 hours. ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಟು hypoglycemia, condition leads to diabetic coma and lead to death. So which is that may contribute to overeating. ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 10th day ಒಂದು ವೀಕ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಊಟ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫುಲ್ 2 weeks ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು. Isn't it? Again it becomes a over hyperglycemic condition. What is it? Third mistake we do, calculating too much on diet food. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟು ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Calculating too much on diet food, drinking shakes and eating bars, chocolate bars instead of meals as a part of diet. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ತಿಂತ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಅದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಬಟ್ wherein we go into use them forever. So do we have any plan for what comes next? ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, so you should not calculate for that. Thinking speedy weight loss, ಬೇಗ weight loss ಆಗಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, gradual weight loss is better since we are learning how to eat well in a real world. So who observes weight we lose is like to be from water or from the fat. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ weight reduction water ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ fat ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Actually water ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, fat ಇಂದಲ್ಲ. So thinking speedy weight loss, it is also very dangerous. So coming to why Ganesh has not got, so already you know that why Ganesh has not got diabetes, isn't it? So ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, because he used to take ಕಪಿತ್ತ ಜಂಬೂ ಫಲ, isn't it? ಸಾರಭಕ್ಷಿತ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಕಥೆ ಇದೆ, isn't it? So that one we should in our clinical practice, even in our life, even in our personal health, isn't it? So managing diabetes is not a science, it is an art. My advice is that before, along with medication, so we should convince the patient such a way that they should prepare in their house with all these drugs which I have mentioned in classics, which is favorable for their mind. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. So this is one of the the technique to hold the patient for a longer time. So this is the importance of patya in the maintenance of sugar level, not in Madhumeha. Actual maintenance of sugar level. Madhumeha is not curable disease. Okay, so finally I thank all the University, Dr. Hemant, my good friend, for giving this opportunity. Then faculty members of Parol University, all the students, it may be PG, UG, I don't know, all the delegates who has been observing that. Okay, so any advice you can give that, any additions or any discussions? So also I thank Dr. Divya for her wonderful approach for the this session and introduction. So I also thank our JSS Mahavidyapita, Dr. Rajesh Chodupady sir, principal and dean for not dean, principal and medical superintendent. Then our HOD Subhash sir for giving me this opportunity. I thank you, Ananda. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was a very wonderful session and very nice to hear to you. There are some questions, sir. We will clarify that. Okay. Sir, whether tender coconut water is advisable for diabetic patients?
So actually, it is advisable, but there should not be any added sugar for that. Even quantity also it depends upon the calorie burnt in that particular day. Okay, because it also contains something about 40 grams of that. If you take 1 or 2 spoons, okay. So continuous usage of this coconut is contraindicated. So according to their exercise, we should ask the activities of that particular patient. I already told them, if you are taking 200 or 2000 calories, out of that, there should be 20 to 30% of this one, what is the carbohydrates. Okay, so in little amount can be advisable.
Okay. So you have got so many positive comments, positive feedback in the chat box. Dr. Sangeeta Toshikane, she is telling very informative session and presentation, educative PPTs. Thank you for sharing and elaborative explanation on Patya for Madhumeha. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sangeeta, for a long time contact with you.
And Dr. Himanshu Mohan Singh, sir, he is requesting you to share the PPT, sir. I don't know whether
I'll post to you, Divya. I can forward it. Thank you, sir. Sir. So thank you.
Sir,
So
once again, and one more question is there, whether Jaggery is advisable in diabetic patients?
Jaggery is not advisable for the diabetic patient. So you can make a, what is that, a small quantity of that, that's all. We should not completely avoid that. So along with that Anupana, so Anupana we can take it as, not directly, because there will be a high content of carbohydrates, not advisable for this.
Thus, we have come to the end of the session. As per survey in 2015, India is the home to 69.1 million people with diabetes mellitus and is estimated to have the second highest number cases of diabetes mellitus after China. Diet plays a very important role in glycemic control of the body. I wholeheartedly thank Dr. Satish sir for explaining in detail the need and methodology of Patya that should be followed by the patient of diabetes mellitus. Acharya Charaka also said, when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. So it's on behalf of President, Parul University, Dr. Devamshu Patel, Dr. Komal Patel, Managing Trustee, Dr. Hemant Toshikane, Dean Faculty of Ayurveda. I thank you once again, sir. It was a very wonderful session. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you for the delay and technical problems. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
At last but not the least, I also thank Dr. Harish Daga for his constant technical support in backstage.
I also thank Madam wholeheartedly. I'll thank.
Okay.
Convey my regards. Thank you.